Alright everybody, welcome back. My name's Trent Collins once again. Here just showing you the new 2019 Mesa Ridge 370 RBS. 370 RBS stands for rear bath with slide. As you can see, this is a big unit. Two big deep slide outs on this side, opposing slide in the front living room inside. Here as we walk around to the other side, the non-door side, 3 slide outs over here. 5 slides in total. It's a full fiberglass unit, all gel coat, all LED inside and outside. Stay looking bright white for many years to come. This one does have some upgrades as far as how we ordered it. Stainless steel fully enclosed generator box. You can see 2 of the 3 propane tanks. It's all pre-wired, dual battery trays on either side of it, vented control panel inside. You can see the JT strong arms down below on the auto level system. This is our single propane cylinder on this side, 20 pounds, so you can switch them out anywhere. Big slam latches on it. You can look into the nice underbelly storage, all heated and cooled, access panels for your mechanicals underneath, water pump and tanks and such like that. LED lights, like I mentioned earlier. Big Xanatrex converter, battery disconnect switch, auto level controls inside here. You can see over there the generator transfer switch inside that baggage door. We'll go across and look through. But the nice slam latches, fully enclosed docking station, separate satellite hookups, GFCIs, LED light, tank flushes, hot and cold water connection, so on and so forth. Fully enclosed docking station. Interable from the bottom there, so you're fully sealed all the time. Lockable. You can see the Norco AccuSlide there, so 4-corner cable compression with slide toppers. So nice carefree slide toppers. As we go around the back, access to the back of the residential style fridge that I'll show you inside. Be able to service it very easily. Still lockable. Alloy wheels, Dexter axles, as well as polyurethane isolators between those leaf springs. Full level control. 6 points. More slam latches on this baggage door. And that's the under half of the king bed inside. So finished out with a bit. So go around the back, get the profile of it down the side. Big deep slides all the way through. Slide toppers on all 3. Here around the back. You see the backup camera already mounted on it, the wireless backup camera. Receiver hitch, fully walkable roof, 4,500 pound capacity, integrated ladder out back, LED lights once again, and then the dual awning package. LED lights in both awnings. They're quick pitch adjustable, so you can grab them and go. Frameless windows, you can see the frameless windows throughout. Outside porch light, marine grade outdoor speakers. 1 entry here and 1 on the other side of the dining room slide. Big windows in the dining room slide, letting in a lot of light. The more ride step control system back here. They're all built in with Wi-Fi now, so Wi-Fi extenders built into the coaches. You can see 370 RBS, full 4 seasons package. Key to like, so all your baggage doors and your entry doors are key to like. Other side of the baggage door for the storage underneath. There's your transfer switch for your generator, and then on this side, nice pull-out tray for your other 2 propane tanks. Nice and easy. They're chest high, so you're not straining yourself. Fully wired for solar. Here under the slide, you can see the full finished out version. Teflon rollers. See the slide wipes. How they're totally sealed in any position. And now as we go inside, of course we walk into a dark coach, but it does have light switches on the wall. You can see the Max Air fan. See it spinning up there now. Come up into the big living room up front. Both these love seats here on either side of the opposing slides. Trifold beds. Big Furrion TV station. Sound bars on each side of it. Lift up accessible storage libations cabinet, 5100 BTU electric fireplace, glass face storages on the outside, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth all through the Furion head unit, 2 zones of control. You look back through the coach. They're the king seats, massage and heated, fully reclining, ambient light underneath, theater seats, and then looking down into the kitchen. So we look through the kitchen, back over to the breakfast bar, turn on some lights so you can see the lights in here. Nice ceiling treatment, big dining room slide here, 4-person dinette, vinyl in their slides in the kitchen, very unique. Only Mesa Ridge does it. Flush floor slides, so there's nothing to trip on. Very easy to keep clean. As you can see, all real wooden cabinetry and trim, solid surface countertops. The big residential style Frigidaire gallery fridge, filtered ice and water in the door, residential style microwave, glass, flush glass cooktop, pull out Canon spice rack here I really like. They use all of their places for storage, so pull out trash bin, little storage nooks on each side of the farmhouse style single basin sink with pull out faucet, big drawers beneath them, scrubbing pad holder, cabinet on this side, and then all that cabinetry that's over there on the breakfast bar. The fridge is pretty impressive, what you'd find in any high-end style home. Nice LED lighting inside, fully adjustable shelves, ice and water like we talked about, generator controls on your breakfast bar here, as well as your touch screen for your app integration. Be able to control all your auto leveling, your lights, all different kinds of stuff. You can see the LED ambient light under here. This is neat. You can see the pocket drilled screws that Mesa Ridge does. So they actually use a jig and pocket drill everything. Best way to build stuff. Very high-end construction quality. Max air fan once again in the kitchen. Turn the light into the pantry. So they also have what they call a 373 that's a similar floor plan to this front living. And this would be a half bath here. See one of my other videos for that floor plan layout. I'm sure I'll do a walkthrough on it. Washer and dryer connections in this side. Stackable or combo unit. Nice glass face door. This is that second entry there. And although we didn't come in this would probably be your main entry. So as you come in, you've got your switch panels fully enclosed out of the way. All your controls for everything there, as you can see. Turn off the awning light switches outside. We don't need them anymore. Nice wardrobe closet here as you enter. And up into the front part of the coach. If you take a left, nice glass faced solid wood door, and you go into the back rear bedroom. Now the bedroom, what I like about it is the ceilings are so high. This is a single profile coach, so it's flat from the front to the back. Big overhead cabinetry, giant residential king size bed. Here's that other half of the storage that we looked at from outside earlier. If you turn around, you can see the couple of drawers beside the bed here. Big deep storage beside the bed. Big deep storage over the bed. Turn on some lights in here. Big deep storage over the bed. And a giant wardrobe closet that's obviously lit inside as well. Little piece of dresser drawers here. You can see the little ambient light sensor underneath. So it kicks on the footwell lights when you get up at night. Doesn't blind your partner. Mount for a secondary TV. Big barn style sliding doors here in the back, the oversized entry, and skylight, max air fan, giant shower enclosure with seats, stainless steel faucets, porcelain toilet bases, solid surface countertops, medicine cabinet, linen storage. Guys, that's about it. You can see some of my other videos. I talk a little bit more about the Mesa Ridge construction quality and just how well built these things actually are. Just real quick recap. This is a 370 RBS 2019 Mesa Ridge. So it does have the upgraded Dexter axles on it. Full PVC hard roof with 15-year guarantee. It is non-prorated in any way. 4,500 pound fully walkable Magna Truss roof design system. They have a 3-year structural warranty on all their units. You see very few problems out of the Mesa Ridge lineup though. They're very well constructed. Amish craftsmanship. Use the top of the line materials and it shows. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me through PM, guys. And like, subscribe, and share the link below if you're in the market for a new RV. Have a great day.